Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Authorization is different than authentication, but since they both sound the same, we sometimes conflate them. But in testing, this could be a risky business. Let's start with the difference. Authentication is about knowing who you are. Authorization is about what you're allowed to do. So, for example, if you try to log on into a system, you're either allowed in or you're not. That is authentication. But once you're logged in and you're inside the system, what you're allowed to do there is authorization. Imagine your API as a bridge to a wonderful country full of healthy people. There's a guard on the bridge, and he's asking you who you are to decide whether to let you in or not. How does he do it? His tablet is connected to all kinds of databases where you appear or not, with the proof that you are or not who you say you are. So his tablet allows authentication. But you have an evil plan. You want to build a chocolate factory, a whole chain of them. Get all the healthy people addicted to sugar. Now, if the guard knew that, he wouldn't let you in. Unfortunately for him, his tablet is not connected to all the health inspector databases. You see, that's a different system, and the tablet cannot connect to everything. So, while the guard can let you in, because you are who you say you are, he can't check your intentions. And if he let you in, that's an authorization problem. In our story, the APIs are the guard, and the tokens are the IDs the tablet checks. I've talked about tokens in this video. So, where does authorization come in? Authorization is checked on a separate system. APIs usually go through authentication's gateways, which let you in or keep you out. But once you're already in, other systems check whether you're authorized to do what you want to do. And once you're over that bridge, anything can happen. This is very important for testing. We need to understand the difference between getting in and what we're going to do after that. Let's see an example. In our Bigger Better Bookstore, we have an API for adding a review and one for deleting a review. Now, a user writes a review. It's a very critical review. He doesn't even think about deleting it. But if he wanted, he could do it. After all, it's his review. Now, another user logs in, but this time he's the author of the book, and he doesn't like the criticism. Now, if it was in the UI, the author would probably be looking for a delete review button and press it. But we're not in the UI. However, anyone can call the API. So, the author, using his valid token, calls the delete API. Now, what should happen? In a working system, we probably expect something like a 403, forbidden. The operation is invalid because, author or not, you cannot delete someone else's review. At least for now, anyway. Now, back to testing. Does it work as we expect it to? Or does the review get deleted? We need to check this case and not assume the token would save us. As we've seen, the author has passed the guard and is now at the review box. Who's going to stop him? We need to think like the perpetrator, and then try to catch them. Otherwise, we'll all be covered with chocolate, in a bad way. My API testing masterclass, the Tactician, is coming soon. And we're going to talk about authentication and authorization and gaps your suite might miss. And you don't want to fall into this trap. The Tactician goes deep into what to test and how to test it, and how to stop assuming the guard has your back. Waitlist is open, link below. Now, tell me, while you were testing, did you ever get past the guard and did unspeakable things to your system? As a tester, of course. I want to hear your story. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and watch other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.